Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris there again, man, and welcome to my kitchen. As you saw in the title, today is just merely a giveaway video for our 100,000 subscribers milestone. So we want to show you our appreciation by giving back. This video was supposed to be a part of the previous video, however, we lost all that clip, so you didn't get to see that in the previous video about us unboxing the silver play button. I want to go ahead by saying how you can enter, but before we go ahead and say that, I just want to use this opportunity again to say thank you very much for helping us to reach the 100,000 subscribers. As seen in the background, that's the silver play button, so you know the kitchen is official. Enough love to all of the timers and big up on yourself. You feel me I say? In terms of the giveaway now, it's gonna be a strictly cash prize only giveaway, and this can be, you can receive the winnings wherever in the world you are. It doesn't matter, there's no limit on where you are. So for this giveaway, there'll be 3 cash prizes. Cash prizes such as $150, $100 and $50, so first, second and third cash prize. Now all that money currency will be in Canadian currency, so if you're not England, you now get British pound. I'm sorry, no British pound, you can't afford it. You see me, this is totally coming out of my pocket towards you for just show you say, that is just my way of saying thank you, apart from saying thank you. You see me? If they are US, you get no US dollars, you know. If they are Jamaica, you get no Jamaican dollars, you know. You have to get Canadian dollars. Jamaica, you must say, yeah, Canadian dollars. You see me? Yeah, get Canadian money, but when you can, you know the thing. So yeah, 3 cash prize, $150, $150, and I say cash prize because gone are the days when people come to your weddings and they give you a blender, some pot set, and those sit in your house for years not using up. I don't want to do that. If I have a sponsored video and they want to sponsor me like some equipment, I'll give that away. But if I'm giving you a prize, I'll try to stick to a cash price because honestly that's what I'd prefer. A cash price I'm going to buy when I want to buy. You see me? Get to you, buy what you want to buy. Yeah, so how to enter and win the cash prize? First off, you have to be following, you have to be subscribed to Morris Time Cooking. That's a definite, right? Secondly, you have to subscribe to my vlogging channel, which is Gamp TV. See it right there, so see. Thirdly, you have to be following me on Instagram, that is at hatch_chef. See it right there, so again, so there's no excuses as to where to find us. And if you want to follow me over Facebook, you can, and on Snapchat, but those are not the requirements. The requirements are you must be subscribed to my cooking channel, my vlogging channel, and you must be following me on Instagram. Yes, we know you say, but if you give the money, we have to do so much things. It's not a lot, you know, they really check it out, because if you work 150 hours, how much hours after that? It's just a click of a button. Boom, boom, boom. Done. You see me? So, me fear enough, right? Fear.
Win, 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 no matter what.
Anyways, anywho's, let me speak in a way where everybody can understand, because I want my international fans to be a part of this as well. This has no limitations as to who we are, when you can win. Well, there's a when you can win this. But yeah. So yes, now you followed me on Instagram, you already subscribed to Morris Time Cooking, you already subscribed to Gamp TV. What next? You saw before where I developed my website recently called www.hatchchef.com, right? Now on there, you're going to also subscribe to it. The reason why I say you're going to subscribe to my website is because that's the way how you're going to send me your email of both your address and a message saying why you should win. Now you have to subscribe in order to send me an email on my website, and in that email you should have an attachment of a screenshot of you following on Instagram, you subscribe to my YouTube channels, both of them, right? And then you're gonna attach your address and or your PayPal. because that's the only way you're going to be receiving this money. We're going to send this through via PayPal or Western Union. Those are the only two mediums I'm going to be using to ensure that you get this money if you are the winner. And let me go on a tip that I would personally use. I know a lot of people may say I don't have Instagram. I am sorry. These are the requirements to win. So guess what? You don't have to have Instagram. And they say if you have someone in your household that does, get five people in your household to follow up on Instagram and subscribe to both channels. And that will heighten your chances of either 1, 2, 3 cash prize to go to the one household.
You smart. You very smart.
That's how I would do it. So may I go on a hint, you see me? And if you didn't get all of what was just said, I'll leave it down in the description box or in the pinned comment so you can go and check it out. This competition starts effectively immediately after this video is uploaded. So today is Monday the 13th. Most likely I'm going to get this video out by tomorrow the latest, which is the 14th. So I'm going to let this run for a solid month. So the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. And February, speaking of February, which is also my birthday. You know, man, so I should give away the giveaway for my birthday.
You a genius.
My birthday is the 23rd, you see me? And yeah, so by the 14th of February is when we're gonna close off everything. Yeah, we're gonna close off everything on the 14th of February and then do the draw on my birthday. Sounds good, sounds good. So you can wish me happy birthday at the same time while me I'm going to something.
Put this money in your savings account.
Exchange ain't no robbery. You see me? Yeah. So that's how we're gonna do it, my people. So just a quick recap of what to do and how to get it done. Even though I'm going to put it on there, but I know some people don't like read, so I'm going to say it then rather for listen. So 1, you must be subscribed to Morris Time Cooking on YouTube, must be subscribed to Gam TV on YouTube, must be following me on Instagram at hot_chef, and you must subscribe and send me an email on my website at www.hotchef.com. Send me an email with the attachment of your PayPal address or your home address. That's the way I'm going to be sending you this money, via PayPal or Western Union, wherever in the world you are. The cash prizes are $150 for the first place winner, $100 for the second place winner, and $50 for the third place winner. Now, how am I going to select this draw? Once you send me that email with your address on your PayPal attached, just going to send me like a small with your address and your PayPal attached. You're also going to send me a screenshot of you following on all 3 platforms. You see me? And then now I'm going to have a live draw. I want to have a live draw on my birthday, which is the 23rd of February. So you have enough time to get people in your household to subscribe and follow, and then take on a screenshot and send. So I'm leaving the window open for an entire month. So from February the 13th today to February the 3rd, from January the 13th, my bad, to February the 13th or 14th thereabout, because depending on when the video is published, right? So those are the information, my people. Get them, and then we'll do like a live draw. Once you get all the names in, we're gonna cut off everything from, so once we get all the names and email with the screenshots and everything in by the 14th of February, we're then now going to check the emails that we get. If you meet all 3 criteria, which are following on both YouTube and Instagram, both the YouTube channel and the Instagram, plus your screenshots of those evidence, then we're going to take the names now, write them on a piece of paper, put them in a ballot box, and then we just raffle it up. Boom, pick one name. The first name that comes up, you're the first place winner. Shake again. Boom, pick up a second name. Second place winner gets $100. Shake again. Boom, third place. So if all 3 picks are in your household, guess what? You just won yourself $300, and you can invest into, I don't know,
Buy your mama a house. Buy your whole family houses.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Camera, something for make your own YouTube channel so you can give a giveaway too. You know what I say? So, once again, my people, this is a short video. And I hope it was informative and somewhat entertaining, is it me? And yeah, I want to cut off of this thing here and go get this video edited and blast it out to you. So once again, thank you very much for making us official on this platform with the silver play button. Mad. So until next time, people, no love for the love. Safe travel on the gravel and go on big up Ono self.
I'ma see you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah.